In today's fast-moving engineering world, design demands speed, precision, and intelligence. But disconnected tools, complex workflows, and slow systems often hold teams back. It's time for a smarter approach. Introducing SolidPlus3D 2026, a powerful, integrated platform built for modern product design, one ecosystem that brings together design, simulation, and data management seamlessly. SolidPlus3D 2026 is enhanced with intelligent modeling, improved performance, libraries, integrated workflows, and automations to accelerate designing. With SolidPlus3D, develop robust structural designs. With SolidPlus3D, validate your ideas' engineering analysis. With ProDat Plus, manage your data and collaboration. With Span3D, non-designers can edit quickly before manufacturing. And with ViewPlus3D, access, review, and share your designs anytime, anywhere. RSVP now for the launch webinar.